Guys, today I'm taking a look at these. These are the QXQ S26 True Wireless Earbuds. With so many earbuds flooding the market, what makes these worth a look? We'll find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, there are a ton of wireless earbuds around, and choosing the right ones for you isn't easy. Do you go for quality or cost? Well, the truth is, this new wave of tech is constantly evolving, and that probably means you can have both. Now, before we get into it, QXQ sent me these S26 True Wireless Earbuds to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know, if you follow my channel, whatever I review, you know you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get these out of the box and see what we have. First off, guys, open up the box and we have another small box which contains the USB-C charging cable, a carry strap and some silicone ear tips in different sizes. Then we have the charging case and some instructions. Now guys, looking around at that charging case, well, it's around the same kind of size as an Apple AirPods Pro case, albeit a little bit thicker. It has an LED display on the front that shows you battery status of each of the earbuds, which is always a nice touch and saves you guessing. On the bottom of the case we have the USB-C charge port, and on the side we've got those mounting points for that carry strap. Open up the case guys and we have the earbuds, and taking them out reveals that they are magnetic like most of these setups. Taking the earbuds out automatically puts them into pairing mode, and this is seen by the flashing blue and red LEDs. Now, looking at the size of these, and again, not that dissimilar to the size of an Apple AirPods Pro. Now guys, pairing is easy. Just follow your normal process for your phone or tablet, and once paired, you will get spoken instructions to confirm that. So guys, what about that audio quality? Well, at £15.99 on Amazon at the time this video is going live, I can tell you now, you're not going to get audiophile sound quality. In fact, the soundstage is pretty flat, and I found that I had to turn up the volume quite high to hear these. And you know what? Doing so, it caused a little bit of distortion. So, you know what? I think if you're in a quiet environment, you can get away with listening at low volumes. But as these haven't got active noise cancellation, your listening quality will really depend on the type of music you're listening to and how well that has been recorded. Now guys, voice calls, right? Well, you know what? They were okay. Some callers said I sounded a bit muffled and a little bit compressed, but everybody that I spoke to could hear me. Now, these S26s do have an array of touch and taps. So you know what? You can play, pause, forward and rewind tracks and make and take calls. The touch controls work just fine, so that's a plus, as more often than not, they don't. Battery life is a solid 40 hours from the charge case and 6 hours on a single charge. You can have a quick charge also, which gives you about 2 hours of playtime from a 15-minute charge. You also get the latest Bluetooth 5.3, which gives you twice the transmission speed of Bluetooth 5.2 and a more stable connection. You also get 13mm drivers to maximize your listening experience, and these are pretty large. And like I said, you kind of need these really, because without ANC, you have to crank up the volume. You also get IPX7, which means these S26s are waterproof, not just water resistant like many others. And when it comes to waterproof, guys, most people think that, you know, waterproof, you can expect to be able to dunk this in a bathtub or a pool or something like that, depending on what the device is. And you know what? You can. Whereas water resistant devices You can't. So guys, there you have it. These QXQ S26 wireless earbuds are lightweight. They can be used pretty much anywhere thanks to their IPX rating. The sound quality is okay, and for the price these can be a nice entry set of earbuds, or maybe something you just want to take to the beach or the pool. I'll leave any product links and any discount codes in the description, and guys, if you have any comments or questions then please leave them below. And guys, if you like the video then please give it a thumbs up, it really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content then please subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to QXQ for sending me these S26 True Wireless Earbuds. Guys, I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.